So this is a beautiful question that I want us to revise through. I'm going to teach you how to sketch, how to find the uniform acceleration, how to find the force that gets to be produced due to the acceleration, how to also calculate the distance covered, not forgetting the average speed. So this is a question that is here. How then do we answer this particular question? The first thing is understanding the paragraph that you are given, this condition that is here. The question is saying an automobile of mass 200 kg started from rest position and increased its speed uniformly to 9 meters per second in 30 seconds. It maintained this speed for another 500 seconds. So we want to answer this particular question. So always the first question will, so if you are to encounter these questions in an exam, the first question will always be sketch the speed time graph of the automobile for the journey described. This is how the question is going to be. So we want to sketch a speed time graph. So how do we sketch a speed time graph? You do this. This is what you are going to do. So you are going to do this. So you are going to do this. This is what, so straight something like this. This is what you are going to have. So you know that this is time here that is in what? Seconds. And you've got the speed there. So you've got the speed. So I'm going to do this. I've got the speed in meter per second like this. It is starting from what? From rest. Since it is starting from rest, it means that I'm starting from 0, from rest position, and increase its speed uniformly to 9. So I'm going to put my 9 there, uniformly to 9 meters per second. I'm not supposed to put meter per second because I've included it there. In 30 seconds, so I'm going to put my 30 seconds there. This is where I've got 30 seconds. So it moved uniformly to that, like this. Have you seen 30 seconds there? There is 30. Even there is 9. So it moved to that. It maintained this speed. The same speed for what? 9 meters per second. It maintained this speed. So it is maintaining this speed, maintaining the speed for another 500 seconds. So what you need to do, here we add. We are supposed to add. So I want you to get this. We are doing what? We are adding. Here we need to add. So here we just put speed the way it is, but here we need to add for another 500. So you say 30 plus 500, you are getting what? 530. So we've got 530 there. So it moves up to that. So it is moving up to that. Since it is moving up to that, they haven't said that it should come down, that it decelerates, then went to rest in this. No, you are not given that. So you just end here. You put this dotted like this. These are imaginary lines. So you just leave it like this. This is how this condition is, or the journey that is described. That is how it is. So it is just ending there. You are not supposed to go any further or move forward. This is what you are just supposed to do. The second question, you'll be told to calculate the uniform acceleration. So second question, you will be told to find the what? They are telling you to find the uniform acceleration. How then do you find the uniform acceleration? So they are telling you to find the uniform acceleration. How can you find the uniform acceleration? So you are told to find the uniform acceleration. You know that acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial over what? Over time. So we want to find the acceleration. Acceleration, it is just here. This one is not going down. We don't have a retardation here. It is just here. So it is starting from rest. This is our initial. Up to that point, which is our final velocity. Or speed. It is just one and the same. So I say this is equal to 9 minus 0 over the time now it has covered. This time that is there. that is what? 30. So here we are just saying that 9 over 30. So 9 over 30, what is the acceleration? What is the acceleration there? You get your calculator, you punch. What is 9 over 30? What answer are we getting? 0.3. So I just say 0.3 meter per seconds squared. Those are the units. So I'm done with acceleration. This is what you are supposed to do. So we are done with acceleration. The next question, you'll be told to say how much force was required to produce this acceleration. Hope you've gotten the question. How much force was required to produce this acceleration? How much force was required to produce this acceleration? So force is equal to mass times acceleration. What is the mass? We are given that mass, which is what? 200 kg. So it is already in its appropriate units. So I just say times what? Acceleration 0.3. I won't use a 10 here because they are specifying to say how much force was required to produce this acceleration. So 0.3 times 200. What is the answer? So when you multiply 0.3 times 200 times 200, what answer are we getting? We are just getting what? 60. So I will say 60 what? 60 newtons. This is the answer. You are done. So this is the force that is required to produce that acceleration. So this is what you need to do. These are certain things you need to get and understand. Let us now move to the other question. You will be taught to find the distance covered. So the distance covered for this whole journey that is here. You just understand the shape that is there. What is the name of this shape? This is a trapezium. So we are going to use the formula for a trapezium to answer this particular question. So formula of a trapezium, you know that area is equal to distance. Half, then A plus B cross H. So this is what you need to do. So this is equal to 1 over 2. I've got my A. Where is A? This one, this longer one, this is the short one. So from here up to there, this is A. From here, this point up to that point, this whole thing, this is B. Then this is the height. This is H. I guess you know how a trapezium is. So this is what you need to know. These are certain things you need to understand. A, the difference there. A, from here to there, the difference. That is 530 minus 30. That is 500 plus. From here to there, that is 530. Then height, that is my height, which is what? 9. What is the answer here? What answer am I getting? So we are saying that, okay, the answer that we are finding here, you can just write everything on your calculator. That is what? This is, you say this is 0.5, open bracket, 500 plus 530, cross. What answer are we getting? We are getting 515. 515 times the 9 that is outside times 9. What answer are we getting? We are getting this as the answer, which is 4635. Then I say meters. This is the what? This is my answer. So that is the distance that is covered by the automobile when it for the whole journey. So this is for the whole what? This is for the whole journey. So the distance covered for the whole journey. I want you to get this. I'm explaining a lot of things here. This is the reason why I want your total attention. So for the whole journey, this is what you're supposed to do. Those of you that are interested in certain lessons with me, you can call me on my number, which is 0971 066747. I'm going to help you get a distinction. So that is my number, 0971 066747. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to like and share this video. So this one is for the whole journey. So this is for the what? This is for the whole journey. I want you to understand this. This is for the whole journey. And if you are told to say what was the average speed, in a case where you want to find the average speed. So when you want to find the average speed for the whole journey, what do? You say average speed is equal to total distance over time taken. Total distance is what? 4635 over what? Over total time, that is 530. That is the total time, which is equal to the same answer there. You just say divide by 530. What answer are we getting? We are getting 8.745. So this will be 5. Then I say meter per second. This is the what? This is the average speed for this journey that is described. So you need to understand the question. Some questions, like where this one was gotten, there was a part where they were asking you to find the distance covered when it was moving with a constant speed. You get to have those questions. Like here, the question was saying calculate the distance covered by the automobile when it was moving at a constant speed. So to answer that question, when it was moving at a constant speed, it is just this point, just this box that is here. So it was moving with a constant speed. That's just this box that is here. So what do? This is a rectangle. You just say distance is equal to L times what? B. So this is now equal to, what is the length there? The difference there, that is 500 times, what is the height here? The breadth, that is 9. So you multiply there, 500 times 9. So you say 500, let me do 500 times 9. What answer are we getting? 4,500. So the answer we are getting is 4,500 meters. So that was the distance covered when it was moving at a constant speed. So when it was moving at a constant speed, that was the what? The distance covered. I guess you are able to see this. You are able to understand everything that I'm explaining here. These are certain things you are supposed to know. This is what you need to get and understand. Hope you are getting something. Hope we are moving together. You are able to see these calculations that I'm putting down here. Those of you that are interested in starting lessons, let's start together. I help you get a distinction. So this is my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. So it is just here. Hope you are able to see it. This is my WhatsApp number, 0971 066747. Only serious people that wants to start. So that is my WhatsApp number. I'm here to help you get a distinction. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video and for staying up to this time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and let me know what you've learned, your comment. Thank you so much.